guys, and thank you for tuning into my video. My name is Yadrissa, and today I will be showing you how I got this frontal wig braided cornrow updo style with the little bun and the chopsticks. So as always, as you know, if you want to see how I got this style, make sure you keep on watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you're notified every time your girl uploads a new video. I'm trying to do a little bit more of going back into hair and makeup videos, so I'm starting off with these two videos. Check out my other videos that I have posted up as well. Let me know what you guys think of this video in the comment section, or if you have any questions about this hairstyle, just leave it down in the comment section. I do reply to everyone that asks a question or just makes a comment. And stay tuned. So first I'm going to just start off showing you what I'm going to be using in this video. Some hair ties. I'm going to be using these two combs. I'm also going to be using this brush, and I'm going to be using my hot comb as well. So let's start off with the details of this hair. This is a 13x4 frontal wig. This is a 20-inch wig, and this is from Eunice Hair. So I'm just, what I did off camera is I already smoothed down the hair using my hot comb and the brush and a Style Factor edge booster, the wax stick. I use that to smooth down the hair, to just mold it into place where I want that part to be, so it could be nice and sleek. So what I'm starting off doing, I'm just using a rat tail comb, and I'm just making my part. I wanted my parts to be at a slant. I didn't want the like the regular standard just straight back parts, so I just wanted to, you know, try to make it look a little bit different. So that's why I made my part slanted. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be starting to cornrow the wig. And for this wig, there is a lot of parting space in this wig, so it's very versatile. You can do different styles with this wig, but I decided to do an updo style, kind of like a half up, half down, just with some braids in the front, just to give it a little make it just style it a little bit, rather than just a standard part down the middle, you know, just look plain basically. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. I'm just going to be making the cornrows, and I'm not going back too far. I'm just going to the probably like the top of my head. So that's where I'm going to be braiding to that halfway mark. And then after I braid this, I'm not going to be braiding the braid all the way down, but I'm just going to be braiding that cornrow down just a little bit after the cornrow, because I don't want the braid to unravel while I am going on to braid the other braids in this style. So just braid it down a little, as you see I'm doing right here, so it won't unravel while you're, you know, working on your other braids and parts. And I do have a video uploaded how I installed this wig as well, so if you guys want to check that out as well, it's called a low hairline wig frontal install, so check that out. So I'm just doing the same thing. I decided to do that. I wanted to do 3 braids on each side, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just making my part again with that rat tail comb. Just make sure you section it off, and I wanted my parts to be kind of even, the same size, so that's what I was trying to achieve when I was making my parts and making them at a slant as well. So just take your time braiding. I didn't want to do the braids too small. I wanted it to be kind of like an old school, like back in the days when people used to have those little braids in the front. That's what I was trying to mimic and show you guys in this video. That's the look that I was going for as far as my inspiration for this video and this hairstyle look. So again, for the details of this hair, this is Eunice Hair, and this is a 13x4 frontal wig, and this is a 22-inch. I did get this wig in a natural color, and I did go ahead off camera and I did water dye this wig with a black hair dye, and I used a Revlon black hair dye to achieve this black color. So if you guys have any questions about this install or about just style in general, just leave any comments down below. And when I was doing these braids, as you can see, I did 2 on one side, and then I started to make a part on the other side to begin to braid on the other side, because at first I was just going to do 2 braids on each side. But after I made the 2 braids, I decided that I wanted to add additional cornrows. So I did go in and add those additional cornrows after these braids that I'm doing right here. So whenever you're trying to create a style or just a different hairstyle with your frontal or wig in general, just make sure, just be creative. I try to think outside of the box more so, and I try to do things that I don't see too often. So that is why I thought of doing this video today with this install. And as you can see, this video is really short because, you know, it's very repetitive, because I'm just doing the same thing as far as me making the cornrows. And after I make the cornrow, just braid down the braid a little bit so that the braid does not unravel while you're going on to the next braid or to make the next cornrow. I thought that this style would look cute with just these 2 for here, and if I was just pin those together and then leave the sides down, just coming down, just straight down, and leave it straight. I thought it would look cute like that, but I just decided while I was filming the video that I would just make it into a ponytail. So if you made it this far, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you're notified every time that I upload a new video. I will be posting videos every week. I have been more consistent this year as far as posting, and I'm just trying to stay consistent so that I could just be on top of me posting my videos on a weekly basis. I don't have a day, a set day that I post my videos, but it's either maybe once or twice I will be uploading a video. Maybe in the near future I will come up with a set schedule as far as my posting, but for now I don't have any set schedule for my posting videos. That's why it is good to hit the notification bell, so whenever I do decide to upload, then you'll be notified when I do have these new videos posted up to my channel. And also don't forget to go check out some of my other videos that I have here on my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I am a self-taught makeup artist. I also do nails, and I also enjoy doing makeup, so you're going to see a variety of those 3 things on my channel. And I was trying to I was thinking of incorporating maybe some fashion and maybe some other things here on my channel, but I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to do that. But that is something that I am interested in, and something that I might look into doing and posting here on my channel. So what I am doing now is I was trying to comb the hair up a little bit on the side to see if I like how it looks. And I did like how it looks, so then I was just trying to part out a section of hair. I didn't want to put too much hair inside the ponytail that's going to be on top of my head, so I was just trying to pull some hair from the back and pull it up into that ponytail. As you can see, I'm just using my finger to make a part to section out the hair that I'm going to be using for this ponytail. This is a really easy style if you want to do this on yourself, or if you have any clients, or if you just want to practice on different styles and just try new things. Let me know what you guys think of this video. I want to your guys' opinions on the videos that I do post, so I would like if you guys interact with me just a little bit more. so that I know what you guys are interested in, so that I can be aware of what type of video you guys like and enjoy, so I can put out more of that content and just get those videos out for you guys. So yeah, I did make a part and section this side of my hair as well, and I'm just trying to mold that in place, just using my hand just to sleek it up into a high ponytail. And I did use bold hold. If anybody is interested in the glue that I used to install, no, I'm sorry, excuse me, I used Ghost Bond to install this wig, and I really like that glue. Like, that glue really stuck it down and really held it in place. Like, I didn't feel like it was loose or it was going to come up at any point of me creating this video or installing this wig. So yeah, I do recommend that that glue, Ghost Bond. And I do currently still have this wig on my head. It's been about 3 days now for this wig that I had on my head. But of course, you know, when you're washing your hair and stuff like that, you got to make sure that you don't wet your hairline, because you don't want that moisture to get underneath your wig and lift up the glue from your scalp. So I'm using these hair ties to just pin my hair up in place where I want it exactly. I wanted my ponytail to be in the middle, and I wanted it to be a high ponytail. And I decided that I wanted to do like a loose bun on top of my head. I did try it with a tight, like a knot bun, but I thought that it looked a little bit too flat. So I decided to do a messy bun. So that's what I'm doing here. And I did take a clip, and I was trying to clip the messy bun in place so that it stays in place while I am styling my hair, and it doesn't come out throughout the day, basically. I did like how it came out this way, so then I just you know, I just left it that way. And what I'm showing you is I do have these chopsticks that I'm going to be using today, these black chopsticks, and they have these little cute rhinestones on it. I did get this from our local beauty supply, these chopsticks. I think it was about maybe $2. I don't think it was any more than that, but I remember using these chopsticks back in the days when I was in high school. So that really brought back a lot of memories of just me you know, going to school and just trying different hairstyles. So that's why I wanted to incorporate these chopsticks with this hairstyle today in this video. I was just trying to you know, get it to how I like the bun as well as the chopsticks, exactly where I wanted to place them. And this is a clip of the finished look of this hairstyle. Let me know what you guys think of this braided ponytail bun updo style. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, you can also check me out on my other social media platforms and go check out some other videos. I hope to see you guys in another video. Bye.